Hello people, so welcome back into this channel, and I would like to show you the way how you can share and collaborative things through Google Docs application. You can give and edit access into your friends to work together over one document so that your work can finish real quick. You just need to open the Google Docs application, and you just need to find which documents that you want to work with your friends and you want to send the access to. And let's say here I would like to send these documents into my friends and let my friends edit them. So the thing that you have to do is just go click these three small dots of the documents that you choose and go click this share button. The next thing you need to do is you can just type the email, or you can just do this instead too. Go click this manage access and then go click restricted here, and then go click it again, change from restricted into anyone with the link. And don't forget to change the viewer here into the editor. And whenever this information here already changed into editor, you just need to copy the link and send the link into your friends. Now your friends already have the change to edit the documents that you send to them. So that is the way how to send an access or edit access into your friends. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, guys, and let's meet again into other tutorial.